Hey everybody, it is Joey. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my home. I feel like I love hair tutorial. One of my favorite things I like to do recently since I started YouTube. I just love doing my hair on camera for you guys and just showing you all the different ways that I do it. So this is another video of that. I just feel like more confident with hair tutorials just because I love doing hair. So I hardly get comments on my videos. Once again, if I am not making myself clear, if you want to recommend videos for me to do or for me to try out, please leave it in the description. It would help me a lot. It would really help me a lot. But today's video, I am going to be recreating a look that I have done a few times. It's big, voluminous, big glam curls. I don't know what to name the style, but it's just like big, poofy, luminous Trisha fucking Paytas curls. Like, that's all I can really say. I don't usually wear this out a lot. It's more of a winter look. Since it's summer, I'm willing to just take the risk and kind of just showing you how I do it now. So once again, if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Joey. I have a lot more videos than just this one. Once again, just check them out before coming to this, or maybe check them out afterwards. But without further ado, let's just stop talking and once again get into the video.
If I gave you a week, would you keep it in a bottle, lie in bed and pour a drink of me? And let your friends think you're developing a problem, but we're happier than it could be. And if there wasn't always something dragging us down, like everyone around us saying we're just messing around. Well, maybe I can love you, babe, but maybe I'm too afraid of getting less than I gave. I'm not that brave. To everything we almost had. We were so close that I could almost feel the pain, and it hurt so bad. But there's always something changing the way we go. Like everyone around us thinking that they should have a say, but they don't. To everything we almost had. We were so close that I could almost feel the pain, and it hurt so bad. But there's always something changing the way we go.
Well, the this is it. This is the final product. I absolutely love it. It actually came out better than how I originally always do it. I kind of did some new techniques, as you guys saw. I kind of just did whatever I wanted to, like in the back. What I like to do is use 2 different ones, and also I like to alternate the curls, in case you were wondering. This is the final product. This is it. Voluminous, voluptuous curls. I don't know what else to call it. I'll call it like I see it. I think they last like about like 2 or 3 days. Don't quote me on that. I don't leave them for that long, but for a full day they actually last. They actually loosen and they become more voluminous. So yeah, but once again, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I once again enjoy making it. Comment down below any video suggestions that you would like to give me, please. It will be a great help. So follow my social media, they'll be right here and also down in the description. And as always, day or night, whenever you see this, just know that I love you so much, and I'll see you guys especially back here in my next video. Bye guys.